So this is a quick video to show you a demo of a WhatsApp chatbot which can helps you to generate more sales or revenue online, and also at the same time it helps you to get more 5-star reviews online. So let's look at the goals of this particular WhatsApp chatbot. As I mentioned, it actually helps you to increase 5-star ratings or reviews for your business on Google, Facebook, Yelp, or any other kind of review websites. And also it helps you to increase your customer lifetime value. That means it helps you encourage the customers to spend more money with you again and again in the future as well. And also it helps you to improve your customer experience as well. So without any further ado, let me show the demo. So as you see here, it says scan here to get a 30% discount from us on your next visit. So here is the QR code over here. So when it comes to WhatsApp chatbot, there are different kind of entry points. So one of the entry points is that you can ask your customers who are visiting your store, or maybe a restaurant or a dentist store or a mall. So you can ask people to scan a particular QR code to get people into your WhatsApp chat automations. So let me actually scan this particular QR code and see actually what happens. So let me share my phone screen over here and let me scan this particular QR code. So as you see here, when I scan, it says wame.link. So that means it's WhatsApp. So if you tap on this link, it will send you directly to WhatsApp, to your WhatsApp. And if I press send, it will simply trigger the WhatsApp chat automations. So it says, thanks for visiting us. Can you please share your experience so far? Select a rating 1 to 5. You may be eligible to get a 30% discount on your next visit. So here we are actually asking customers to rate their experience in the WhatsApp chat itself. So they actually won't end up sharing their review on their Google or something else. So here you can simply get their rating. So if someone says 5-star ratings, we at that case we also ask those people to leave a review on Google as well. So as you see, since you are so helpful giving us the feedback, would you consider sharing your honest experience on Google as a review? So in this example, we are simply choosing Google. So when they click on that particular link, it will take them directly to your Google review page. So they don't need to spend time searching for your business on Google or something else, and they can simply select any kind of rating and add their feedback and share the review. So this particular example was created for a restaurant, so but this applies to any other kind of business as well. So after like a few minutes or few seconds, we actually do send another kind of message sending them the 30% discount on how to actually get that discount. So it says, present this message to the cashier on your next visit and receive a generous 30% discount as our heartfelt of appreciation. Please note that this offer is valid for next 21 days, so make sure to available yourself exclusive discount before it expires on July 8. So today is June 18, and if you add 21 days, it's July 8. So this particular offer is valid up to July 8 as well. And here they have to show this message to the cashier. It says customer ID, so this is the customer phone number and expires on July 8. So when they show this message to the customer, the cashier can simply verify the offer and also the verification date as well. So this particular kind of automation is built using our own platform. So let me show how this is actually built over here. So this is built using our drag and drop filter. Here we have mentioned the welcome message, and here we have the ratings over here. And the beautiful thing about this is that we also have this omnichannel inbox. When someone actually start a conversation, you can actually see all the conversation over here. So basically this particular person has gone through this kind of window, and here you can find their phone number as well. So if a human support agent want to actually talk to them, they can simply send a message as well. So this is the omnichannel inbox over here. So let me suppose this is a human agent. Let me send this kind of emoji over here for them as a human agent, and they will receive this emoji right itself in the WhatsApp their account as well. So there is a possibility for the human agent to jump in and talk with them as well. So let me show the review flow over here. So let's say if they actually leave a 3-star or 2-star or 1-star, in this case we will say this kind of message over here. While we hope you would be happy about your experience, we actually ask for their negative feedback as well, and they can share it as well. So as we mentioned, they may be eligible for a 30% discount. So even after they shared their negative experience, we say we will review it to ensure a better customer experience, and they can tap that particular button and get the 30% discount again. So I can show this demo once again. So for this case, I'm going to send this flow to myself again and see what happens. So here I have received the message again. So in this case, I'm going to put just 1-star rating. So in this case, we will receive a different kind of messaging asking about their negative experience over here. So let me put something, food was not tasty, something like that, and it will say thank you for your feedback, we will review it with the team. And as they mentioned food was not tasty, a human support agent can simply ask them what kind of jump in and ask what kind of food you order. So let me show that as well. What kind of food did you order, something like that. So you have to send professional messages when you send when you actually handle the customers who are not satisfied. But for an example, I'm showing this kind of message. So if they actually want to get 30% discount, they can simply click that particular link and they will receive same kind of messages as a 5-star customer received before. So this is just to show you how this actually works. So let's say you want to send these people to a different kind of review. So for example, here we actually sending people to a Google review. So if you want to send people to leave a Facebook review or a Yelp or maybe any kind of review, you can do that. And you can even change the text easily, or you can ask more kind of questions. So here we just ask for the experience about 5-star to 1-star, but in your case you can have some kind of service and ask more questions to increase your customer experience as well. So in the last case, I actually mentioned what I did was I actually mentioned that food was not tasty, and if a particular customer leave a bad rating, you can find that as well. So it says negative feedback, food was not tasty, and the rating is 1. So that is how you can find all your customer information within the chat itself as well. Another important thing is that the demo actually I showed you on the WhatsApp itself, but this can work on Messenger, Instagram and other channels as well. So when you filter the audience over here, you can get audience from all kind of channels such as Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Google Business Messages as well, website, SMS, Telegram, Viber, voice as well. So this is just a quick demo to show you how you can actually increase your sales and also the reviews using a WhatsApp chatbot. So if you have any questions or if you want to learn about this, let us know in the comments. So if you want to learn about our business, you can visit our website and see what kind of services we are actually offering. If you are interested in building your own WhatsApp channels without our help, you can check out our platform, which is called as platform.chatikmedia.com. So if you visit this particular website, you can find all the information about our platform and see if you are interested. Thank you.